Hey guys, let's make my juice pulp falafel from this week's Guardian. I originally created this recipe for Cook for Syria, so I explored different ways to make falafel and found that it's common in Syria for the falafels to be made in discs with a little hole in the middle. This helps them cook evenly and is also a great carrier for the tahini. When you make a juice, you create this crazy amount of waste with the pulp that is separated, and this is full of fibre and nutrients, and it's a great ingredient to incorporate into your cooking. And what better way to use it than in this delicious falafel?
To make, drain the soaked chickpeas, then dry them with a tea towel before adding to your blender with your juice pulp, coriander, garlic, cumin, and baking powder. Blend until it's a nice fine mince. Then check the texture and make sure it's holding together. If not, add a little bit of flour. I used buckwheat flour to keep them gluten-free. And then check the consistency again. It should form into a nice ball, essentially. Then when you're ready, you can start to shape your falafel. I like to weigh them out so they're nice and even, and then make them into little patties with a hole in the middle, just like they do in Syria, before frying them in olive oil on a medium heat. Okay, so let's make up the kebab or the wrap. I like lots of vegetables in mine, so I'm finely chopping some cucumber using a technique I learned when I was traveling in India, adding some ripe, delicious orange tomatoes, and then breaking up the falafel so that they're evenly spaced throughout the wrap. Extra coriander, lots of tahini dressing, which I made just with a bit of lemon juice, chili sauce, of course. Don't forget the salt. Enjoy. You can find the recipe in Guardian Feast online. Check it out. And thanks for watching. It means the world.